In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the setups we had earlier this week in LRCX. Now this one, the overall pattern is general pattern of higher highs and higher lows. I took a lot of these prior declines and projected them from the recent high, which gave us a lot of symmetry support down at the 222, 223 area. We also had a 1618 extension of a low to high swing. We had a 382 retracement of another swing. Bottom line, we had the confluence of at least 5 price relationships between 227.07 to 222.07 to 225.22. Now, if these zones hold, which it did in this case, you always want to go down to the lower time frame chart and look for a buy trigger. That's what tells you to take a trade against one of these setup zones. So if you look at a 15-minute chart, you can see that we did have the moving average crossover. We took out a prior swing high, so it did trigger on that time frame. Let's see about the 30. Yeah, the 30-minute chart also triggered on the buy side. That is, more for swing trade entries. But then, if you are shorter term oriented, you can always use something like a 2-minute chart or a 5-minute chart. And in this case, if you did know about this zone in advance and you looked at this for a day trade, it triggered right around this 228 area, or just above this last high. That's where you had the prior swing high taken out, and then you had the 834 EMA crossover to the upside. Now at that point, you can place a stop underneath this low or underneath the low end of the zone. Depends on how you write it up in your trading plan. And then if we are going to shoot for a target, it's going to be the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone, which gives us potential target at 250.37. When am I wrong? Well, either when it takes out this low, if that's the stop that you choose, or when you take out the low end of the zone, which is below 222.07. Okay, but if we continue to stay above here instead, then I'm going to look forward to initial target number 1 and see if it starts to play out, or actually continues to play out.